Hi everybody, today we are going to learn how to merge your duplicate contacts on Android. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Look down at the bottom horizontal navigation bar layout and tap directly on the section tab labeled Fix and Manage or Organize. From the Management Tools utility menu that appears on your display screen, tap explicitly on the option card labeled Merge and Fix. The application framework will instantly scan your local and cloud address books to identify matching phone numbers, overlapping names, and identical email address configurations. If the system finds matching pairs, it will display a notification banner detailing exactly how many duplicate entry blocks are cluttering your storage architecture. Tap directly on the section labeled Merge Duplicates to expand the complete list of conflicting contact cards. Review the individual suggestion cards on your display screen. You can tap explicitly on Merge next to any specific contact card to combine just those individual entries. Alternatively, if you want to fix your entire address book in a single step, look at the top or bottom of the interface layout and tap on the button labeled Merge All. A brief confirmation notification prompt will appear, so tap OK or Confirm to authorize the background consolidation process. The Database Engine framework will instantly execute the merge loop, blending all matching telephone strings, profile notes, and email fields into unified, clean contact files without losing any underlying data. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.